So YouTube, back with another video. This video about my exhaust tip. They finally came today. I'm finna show y'all finna unbox them. There you go right here. I'm in a big box. Still gonna be everywhere. Come in like this. It's big as fuck. It big, it ain't. It's bigger than what I expected. Come with a little sticker. It's everything right there. But yeah, though, I'm gonna put them on probably drop my car this weekend and get them installed and stuff like that. You know, make a little video, I'm just gonna show y'all how they look, the difference. This is real difference. Yeah, this is real different right here. They so big, man. Way bigger than my other. I need to go out there and show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all another day. I'm gonna go show the difference of them. Like, I'm gonna do it tomorrow when I get out of work and stuff. And put these beside the ones I got on there now. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all tomorrow when I do that. But yeah, though, I'm gonna get with y'all tomorrow though, and I'm gonna have to show y'all, cause it's nighttime now. And I'm about to eat my food. Watch my boy CJ on 32, man. The motivation. Trying to get like them boys. I'll be up there soon, though. If y'all like and subscribe to me, y'all will get me up there. I'll be on they level. That's what I'm trying to get to. But yeah, y'all do that for me. Hit the bell, the post notification bell, and then like my videos, subscribe. Y'all gonna give me a money tag. I had to stop by here with my mom right quick. I know I got my rim from Discount Type. Y'all ain't know. She got her Camaro. She just put the rims on her. She got right here. She too happy.
Yeah, cause you won't be behind my.
It look good though. She got the red with the black stripe. I got black with the red stripe. She turned up now. This who got me into cars for real. She got me into the sport car. She always had one. This about your third one now, ain't it? Yep. I'm finna show y'all the difference though. But yeah, I had to add my mama car in it though. Had to show y'all. She had been got it though, like last week. But I just had to show y'all who I got it from though. But damn, how the fuck I do that? I can't tell cause what's it called, but it's a different though. Do it like this. They cover up the whole what's it called? Yeah, they way bigger. Like that. Yeah, I'm ready to put them on now, man. I'm gonna get with y'all when I put them on. Let y'all see how they look then. So y'all, I'm finally on my way to go put these tips on now, man. I'm almost there now though. But I'll show y'all when I get there though. On the way there. It been a long it been like I've been waiting about a week. Cause they were closed on I was supposed to went on Labor Day weekend, but they were closed for Labor Day weekend. I thought they would have been open though. But I'm going to drop it out today. It'll be ready tomorrow. I'm gonna go back and pick it up tomorrow. Here you go right here. This is the best exhaust place in my city. I'm in Montgomery. We ain't got never like 2 on though, but this like the one, the best one. But it is the best one right here. Y'all ever come over here? Come back here. Y'all ever come down in our city? Let me go ahead and get them my keys and let them know what I'm doing though. Pick up my what's car right here. Ooh. Hey, that truck. That bitch too loud. I'm gonna get back with y'all when they get them put on and installed and everything. On my way to go pick up my car now. Riding my boy. I sleep on, man. We in it. Low key. Turbo in that motherfucker, man. That's that damn, that shit car. It's our secret weapon. Boy, that secret weapon now.
No.
Play with it now. Oh, hold on, bro. Hey, you gonna slow that bitch down?
I'm gone.
Hey, I'm back now. We had somebody like, it was a female though. She ran the fuck out of her truck like she wanted to hit her. Then gave her like an evil stare down, man. She just tripped out. She ain't stopped that bitch at all, y'all. Oh, God. Yeah, man, I had to cut the video for that though, man. But yeah, man, I'm on my way to go pick up my car, man, before she interrupted the nigga, man. But yeah, like I said, we in that secret weapon though. Big got turbo in it. It's like a 2.0, something like that, a turbo in it though. That bitch ain't shit to play with. My boy be right behind me when we be riding now. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it look when we get there though, man. But when we get there, I'm gonna show y'all how the car look. Well, how my tilt look. I just pulled it up. There you go over there. Let me go ahead and pay and start though. Yeah, how much it was right here. $100, cause they had to line it up. So they line up her. Told me, he had called me, told me he had to fix it so it get damn. So it won't be cricket, so the tip won't be cricket. Alright though, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, I look cold stuff. Before I leave from over here. Oh, they having a whole soccer game over here. I'm trying to see, do I hear it different? I heard a little strange noise when I first came out. I'm trying to see what was going on. I don't wait that get from around all these folks. Little kids. Sound a little different though. I could get a little more deeper or something like that. Let's see. You don't want no smoke out here. I hit that turbo now. I want mama. That's the end of that video right there though, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that bell for my new video. I got a new video coming. I got a lot of stuff coming, so y'all just tune in, man. I got y'all though, but Yeah, though. Yeah. Make sure y'all do that, though. Give me to 1,000 subscribers, man. I just hit 100 the other day. I'm almost there. It gonna be here soon. It seems like a lot, but it'll be here, though. As long as I got my people that subscribe to me, man. Fuck with y'all, though. Stay tuned in.